today. So I will give my Sunday family sermon here in Iloilo, the city of love, the city of culture. So welcome to the entire Visayas family. So welcome to FFWPO Visayas family where true love begins. So my dear brothers and sisters, so you know, uh, we as a human beings, bilang tao, we need to fulfill our desire in life, right? We have spiritual desire, we have physical desire. If we fulfill both desire, it means we will be a happy person in this world. Adieu. That's why joining our Sunday family service is one part of fulfilling the desire natin, no? The desire of our heart and spirit. Adieu. Okay. So maraming salamat for giving this opportunity to give my Sunday sermon, Sunday family service sermon here in Iloilo Family Church. So now my topic for this Sunday, my sermon is about minorities with the missions. You know, my dear brothers and sisters, we are a minority. Are you? Yeah, we are not the dominant group in the world or even in our community. So you think there is a lot of limitations, right? Oh, so how the minority, tayo bilang mga minority, how we can change the world, how we can stand strong and do something for the world. Adyo, kahinaan ba ang pagiging minority? Let's see. No? So, minorities with the missions. All history, my dear brothers and sisters, if you look at the history of Judaism, the first chosen people, the second chosen people, the Christianity, and we are now the next chosen people of Heavenly Parent to fulfill and accomplish His mission, to fulfill His will, to substantialize, to realize His will on earth, right? That's why, my dear brothers and sisters, you are not just a member of a family federation. Most of the time, I call you now here in EWP Visayas family, Iloilo, Panay Island, Bacolod, Dumaguete, Tacloban, Bohol, Cebu. You are not just a member of a federation. You need to bear it in your mind. You are a member of God's family. You are called by Heavenly Parent, your parents, as chosen people of John and God. Kaju, you are chosen people. You are members of Heavenly Parent's family. True parents' family. That's why you are called children of Heavenly Parent and true parents. Kaju. So, my dear fellow citizen of Chunul Group, this is our responsibility, to fulfill the desire of our parents. Just like you. Most of you, you are a parent, right? You have children. What is the greatest happiness of the parent is to fulfill the desire of a parent na ginagawa ng kanyang anak, right? That's why tinuturuan tayo that we need to develop the heart of Yojong, filial piety. Aju, do not forget, my dear brothers and sisters, hindi lang po isa ang magulang natin. When we meet true parents introduce to us, we have heavenly parent, we have true parents, we have spiritual parent, and you have physical parent, mayroon God parent. Adyo? Oh. At lahat ng ito, desire of all these parents is for you to be a good person, to be a better person. Right? The person who can substantialize what they aspire and desire in their heart. Adyo? Kaya, wag lang natin pangarapin. Wag lang natin na 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 mag-focus lang tayo sa will, sa desire ng isang magulang. You need to understand the most ultimate desire that we need to accomplish on earth is the desire and the wishes of our heavenly parent and true parents. Because yung wishes nila, yung desire nila ay para sa lahat. Ado? Okay. So can a minority faith influence the world? My dear brothers and sisters, do you think even though you are a minority, we can influence the world? Just like you, right? O, itong mga young people. You know, yung iba noon, simpleng tao lang sila sa lugar nila. Right? It started with nothing. Right? But with faith, determination, and clear vision from nothing to become somebody in the community. Ado? Because of one man, we are saved, right? Everything starts from minority. Ado? So kaya nga sabi sa 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 25 said, "For the foolishness of God is wiser than human wisdom, and the weakness of God is stronger than the human strength." O sa Tagalog, sapagkat ang inaakala nilang kahangalan ng Diyos ay karunungang higit pa sa karunungan ng tao. At ang inaakala nilang kahinaan ng Diyos ay kalakasan higit pa sa kalakasan ng tao. Adyo? Do not underestimate the power of heavenly parents and true parents, right? We are minority, but we have heavenly parents. We have true parents. We have the entire spirit world, that you, who will work with us if we have the right heart. We have the right mind. Anong word si true parents? Let's read. True parents' word in his speech, perseverance and contemplation. He said, one most important thing to think deeply about how to overcome the difficulty of an enemy is taking something precious from you and still love him. That should be our heart. You may not have an enemy now, but imagine that you do. It is difficult to love him, but even more so when he does something vicious. Because of your hate, you may feel urged inside to kill him. You must have such love that you want to bring the child of such a person into your household. Not just putting up with him, but loving him more than your own children. When you can do that, then you have perfected yourself. Adyo? Oh, in Tagalog, ang pinakamahalagang bagay na dapat pag-isipan ng malalim kung paano malalampasan ang hirap kapag ang isang kaaway ay kumuha ng isang bagay na mahalaga sa iyo at mahalin pa rin siya. Adyo? That is the heart. Yan ang puso. Yan ang buhay ng mga pinili na anak ng Diyos. Yan ang buhay ng isang chosen people of Heavenly Parent. Adyo? Mahirap siyang mahalin, lalo na kung gagawa siya ng masama. Dahil sa iyong galit, maaari mong maramdaman ang pagnanais na patayin siya. Ngunit dapat mayroon kang ganong uri ng pag-ibig na nais mong dalhin ang anak ng taong yon sa iyong sariling tahanan. Hindi lamang pagtitiis sa kanya, kundi mahalin pa siya ng higit kaysa sarili mong mga anak. Kapag nagawa mo yon, doon mo mapiperpekto ang iyong sarili. Anong mapiperpect natin? Our hearts, our love, Our love and heart will become like the heart of heavenly parent. Become like the heart of true parents. And if you have such heart, you can change the world. Aju, why did you have to persevere and endure? It is so you can make a foundation stronger than that of the people who oppose you. See? How to win them, not to beat them, but how to win those who oppose us. We need to build foundation greater than them. Why true father? Why our victorious true parents called victorious? Because they lay foundation, very strong and victorious foundation. Even they are most highly persecuted, misunderstood. But true parents build a very, very strong, victorious foundation. At ano ang nagagawa ng mga nag-o-oppose? They naturally surrender. Because the foundation of true parents is greater than them. Aju, we think deeply so that we can guide other people and give them leadership instead of having to follow them. People's oppositions give you fuel to try harder. If you were an important member of a rich corporation, people will come to get a job from you, not persecute you. It is natural that we are opposed because our foundation is weaker than theirs right now. The only way to think is that we will endure and make better foundation than theirs. Even if you put them now and won, you would have no place to store that victory. Aju. So we need to bear in mind, my dear brothers and sisters, fellow citizens of Chonlibu, we are now minority, but in the eyes of God, He put His hopes and dreams in our hands. Because tayo ang mayroong klarong understanding and pag-unawa sa kanyang puso at sa kanyang pangarap. Ajo? So, for us to defeat this persecution, we need to build strong foundation than them. Kaya kailangan natin, no? Likas lamang na tayo'y tinututulan dahil ang ating pundasyon ay mas mahina kaysa kanila sa ngayon. Ano ang tanging paraan para ma-overcome natin to? Ang tanging paraan ng pag-iisip ay magtiis tayo at gumawa ng mas mabuting pundasyon kaysa kanila. Adjo? Kaya it's very important na you put into your mind and heart, my dear fellow citizen of Chunilguk, you are not just a mere member of Family Federation. You are chosen people declared by true parents. Ajo, your life itself is a mission. Our life itself is a mission. We need to raise well a beautiful life. Living lifestyle witnessing ang tinatawag ngayon ng ating Deputy Director, Reverend Du. In this era of Chonilguk, what kind of witnessing that we need to propose? Lifestyle witnessing. It means, how's your life? Pinakaanggitan ka ba ng kapitbahay mo? Did your neighbor say, wow, what kind of family you have? Why you are so loving? Why even though, you know, hindi naman ganun ka-grandioso ang bahay mo, pero why your house is full of love and happiness? While you can smile, bakit kami? We have everything, material prosperity. But bakit kami na may mental stress? Bakit kami nadidepress? What's the problem, right? Ganun ba ang pagtingin sa inyo ng inyong mga kapitbahay? Ng inyong mga kaibigan? Adjo? We need to really understand. That's why putting in our mind and heart who we are is very, very important. We are not just a member. We are not just a follower. We are chosen people. Other. So, we need to. Kaya nga ang ating mga ninuno, may reminder sa atin, di ba? Anin mo ang bahay na bato. Kung ang nakatiray kwago, buti pa bahay kubo ang nakatiray tao. Aju? And then, of course, the Bible said, so what you profit if you own the whole world, but you forfeit your soul? You have all and everything, the physical and the richness of the world, pero ibininta mo naman ang kaluluwa mo. So you will never be happy. You will never have peace in your mind and heart and in your life, my dear brothers and sisters. Ado, hindi nabibili ang kaligayahan na pangmatagalan, eternal happiness. Mayroon temporary happiness, pwede mong bilhin, di ba? But eternal happiness and eternal joy, peace, and happiness cannot be bought by material things. Adyo? But how we are living in attendance and in resonance with Heavenly Parent and true Parent. Kaya tinitiis natin makagawa ng mas mataas na pundasyon, magsisipag tayo ng malalim upang sa dulo ng mahabang pagtitiis ay tayo ay makapagbibigay ng pamumuno. Ito ang tuwid na daan tungo sa tagumpay. Kapag dinadaanan mo ang prosesong ito hanggang sa tagumpay, wala ka nang matatampuan na kaaway sa huli. Sa ganitong pananaw, hindi natin alintana kung ang mga tao ay kumikilos na parabang nakakahigit sa akin. Ngunit sa bandang huli, ay dapat tunay natin silang mahalin. Ipapakita nila ng paggalang sa iyo dahil karaniwan ang isang nagtatagumpay ay gumaganti laban sa kanyang kalaban. Ngunit ikaw ay hindi. Bakit? Ikaw ay pinili na anak ng Diyos. Chosen people of John Ilguk. Children of Heavenly Parent and true parents. Adyo? Hindi yan ang ugali natin. Hindi dapat yan ang maging ugali mo. Pagkatapos na ginawa nila sa iyo, magiging mapagpasalamat sila kahit sa maliit na bagay na gagawin mo para sa kanila. Sa kalooban nila, alam nilang masama ang kanilang ginagawa at sila ay darating sa pagbabago. Kaya nga, true love is natural surrender. Adyo? So, my dear brothers and sisters, how God uses the few to influence the many. So, ano ngayon? Paano ginagamit ng Diyos ang mga minority katulad natin to influence the many? Christians start from one man in our Lord Jesus, and He conquered the world. Not by guns, swords, but by His true love. Adyo? Adyo. That is the guiding principle of the children of God. Tayo, parabing nating naririnig yan sa ating pakikipag-usap in the society. Anong kasabihan? Love conquers. See? Why you focus on things that they cannot conquer all? You want to conquer all? What we need to develop? Love. What kind of love? True love. And true love comes from Heavenly Parent and Jesus and true parents. Adu. Did your love is true love? Kung hindi, it means we continuously cultivate it. Adu. So let's look at the parallelism of Judaism and Christianity and the unification movement or family federation as minority faith and how they can become influencers despite their size. Kahit maliit lang tayo, no? Pero nakakapuwing, sabi nga ng kasabihan ng mga Pilipino. Na? No? And everything start from small steps. No? Aju? So ano ang gagawin? Tingnan natin ang history in Judaism. How they paano sila nagtagumpay despite they are also highly persecuted, right? Until this time. They are persecuted, right? Right? But they stand strong. because they preserve their identity. Alam mo anong sabi niya? You need to really rate yourself despite we are persecuted because you are chosen people. They are the first chosen people, right? Nilalagay nila yan sa kanilang puso at isipan. We are chosen people. Yahweh is with us. God is with us. Jews were persecuted and they are scattered and persecuted. Yet they persevere their faith through Torah study and strong community life. You know, they are persecuted. Wala silang choice. Hindi sila pwede mag-aral, no? Kasi persecuted niya sila. So what they need to do? You know, they practice the tradition. They focus, no? Every father, they teach their own children how to read and write. Ano lang binabasa? At ano yung sila? Torah. They're teaching. The teaching of the Jews, the Old Testament. They write and memorize it. That's why they are very good in critical thinking, develop ang critical thinking, develop nila ang pagbasa, pag-analyze, they become mataas ang kanilang high standard of morality. Adyo, bata pa lang, tinuturuan na sila. You know, because they are persecuted. When the society looking for someone, saan nila makikita? Those people who are Jews, who can do something for the community because they have the ability, they have the talents. Adyo? Look at the world now, you say, di ba? You say they are very small country, but they are very strong and prosperous, right? Of course, they have some limitation in God's history, right? But still, you can see the power of endurance, Trapara said, and perseverance. Pangalawa, their residents gave them moral authority and influence in law, ethics, and culture. Dito sila nagpakadalubhasa. You know? So what is lessons ang makukuha natin doon? Lessons sa history ng mga Jew. You can study that, you know, more detail, you know. Influence comes from faithful perseverance of identity and teaching. They really teach everyone. You know, every Jew, you are responsible to protect your nation above else. Kaya bata ka pa lang, tinuturuan na sila how to be filial towards their nation, not only in their family. Bata pa lang sila, they need, nakaano niyan, babae at lalaki, tinuturuan sila how to protect their nation, right? Because noon wala silang nations, right? But nagkaroon sila ngayon ng nations, right? But they are surrounded by enemies. Adyo? But because of that, sometimes persecution is blessing because wala kang choice. You cannot depend to anybody else. Only to yourself. So you don't have any choice but to really work very hard and study very hard. That's why they create something great, right? Ang disyerto, nagawa nilang farm. Di ba? Cold sa tubig, desalination, everything, right? You see, you can study that, you know. So, but sa kanila, very clear who they are. We are Jew, we are chosen people. So we need to be. That's why they control economy of the world. Adyo? Because they work very hard. They work unitedly. They are really one family also. Adyo? They help and support each other. Not destroying each other. Kinakalaban na nga sila ng lahat eh. Destroy mo pang kadugo mo, kapamilya mo. Adyo? Wala ka ng ibang maasa, kundi si kapwa mo rin, right? Because of that culture, despite of severe persecution, they succeed. Adyo? Let's look at Christianity. Di ba? Minority. Di ba? Christians start from as a minority, right? Adyo? The Roman Empire, the Jews, they don't accept Jesus. That's why there are so many martyrs in Christian history, right? What is their key point? Why they succeed and became the greatest religion? Because of the teaching of Christ. They serve the world. They serve the poor and the sick. Adyo? Early Christians were persecuted minority in Rome, right? pinapatay, binabato, sinusunog. O ganun din ang history nila. They are second chosen people of God, right? Who will carry out the will of Heavenly Parent, right? They gain respect by serving the poor, caring for the sick, and living a lives of love and sacrifice. Kahit pinipersecute sila, sabi ni Jesus, pag sinampal ka, binato ka sa bato, batuhin mo ng, pag sinampal ka sa kanan, ibigay mo ang kaliwa. Love your enemy as how much you love yourself. Adyo, the teaching. And they carry out it. And they practice. Hamakin mo, they sing, praise, hallelujah, praise the Lord. Even sinusunog ka. Right? They are persecuted, right? They are minority. But because of that, they carry out no matter what. They gain respect. And they conquer Rome. And become the state religion. Adyo. That's why sabi sa John chapter 13 verse 35, by this everyone will know that you are my disciple if you love one another. That's the teaching of Christ to his disciples. Love them. Aju, by taking care for the poor and the sick. From being a minority, they become the majority, the dominant. Not just by preaching, not just by talking. They act what Christ told them to do. Ado, kung kayo'y may pagmamahal sa isa't isa, makikilala ng lahat na kayo'y mga alagad. So how you introduce Jesus to the world? Jesus said to the Christian, love one another. The same like the Jew, di ba? Same. Because same lang naman eh. Ha? Who give mission to the Jew and Christian? Heavenly Parent. God, right? But some fail, so some will carry over and continue the mission. Adyo? Oh. Christian do it, they became number one religion of the world. Adyo? So how they introduce Jesus? Because they are minority. Huh? What happened? They love one another. So they show what kind of family, loving family they have in the community and society. How Christians very also intelligent, matatalino't magagaling, at may mataas na antas ng moralidad. That's how they became victorious also before. Kaya ano ang lessons in the Christian's history? Influence comes from service and sacrificial love. They really serve the poor and the sick by the love of Christ. Aju. Oh. They put up so many hospitals, institutions to substantialize that teaching of Christ. Aju? How about us in the unification in FFWP? We are guided by the vision of peace. Heavenly. Go. Mean it is a place, a cosmic peace and unity. Aju? Today, unification. FFWP is a minority, often misunderstood. Yet it carries a unique vision for family, restoration, interfaith, unity, and world peace. Ito yung pinopromote natin, right? Interfaith. One family under God. Peace. Ideal family. Adjo, there is something wrong with this? Wala. But we're often misunderstood kasi hindi pa nila nararamdaman. Hindi pa nararamdaman ng community, ng society. Saan po yun sila? Saan po yung mga mababait na FFWPO? Nasaan? So let's go back to ourselves. Dear family, becoming into the family of Heavenly Parent, where Heavenly Parent can reside in that place. When people come in that place, they feel heaven. Aju? When people meet you as a person, can they feel the presence of God because you are the temple of Heavenly Parent and true parents love and heart? So, yan ang ating trabaho. Adjo, we will never give up because we are chosen people of John. So, yung mga pinagdadaanan natin, it's part of the process so that we will become authentic, genuine people of Heavenly Parent. Adjo, yun kasi nasanay. Di ba? That is part of the process to be purified so that we will really carry and show God's love, to parents' love to the community. Joe? Unificationism or MFW faces trials, persecution because it challenges the world's fallen standard and calls humanity to restore true love and family. China-challenge kasi natin eh. Yung standard. Right? Mataas ang standard. So it's not easy path. But it doesn't mean we will not accomplish. You can do it, Christians. We are the last chosen people. Aju? That's why you are declared chosen people. And what? Your parents bestowed to you the title of Heavenly Tribal Messiah. You are not just member. You are not joining an organization na may membership fee. You are raised by Heavenly Parent to become life true parents. Family plan. You are the owner. You pray now in your name. Aju? That's why we need to work very hard because you can talk directly now to Heavenly Parent. Even you're single. Because this is now in the era of Chun Elgo. The relationship in the era of Chun Elgo is relationship between parent and child. Heart. It is now governed by heart and love, right? If you go back to the divine principle in the formula and in the process of restoration, formation, growth, completion, and perfection, right? In the perfection stage, what is governed? It means we restore already the fallen relationship. We already in the direct dominion of heavenly parent. And in the direct dominion of heavenly parent, in relationship between parent and child, what? Ano ang nag-govern? It is governed by love. Ajo? So are you a man of true love? As what Jesus said to his disciples. You want to introduce me to the world? Love one another. Your parents said, you want me to introduce to the world? Practice true love. Living for the sake of others. But how can you practice true love if you cannot love yourself? Your father said. Love yourself. How you love yourself? You need to become the image of God's love. Aju? That's why attending Sunday service, family service, doing hondoke in your home is very important. Because love comes from Heavenly Parent. The source of true love, who? Heavenly Parent and true parents. Walang rason na hindi natin ma-embody yun. We're Chong Shimon. Everything is provided to us. Adyo. What we need to do? Show to the world. Aju. That's why true parents said. True parents teach that minorities can become the seed of transformation when they embody God's heart. Aju? When true parents started our community, he started alone and he embraced God's heart. Aju? Never give up until today. That's why when through our Holy Mother Hannah was facing something, ano sabi niya, do not worry. You know, sometimes persecution is a blessing in disguise because this is the way to show our love and heart. Kaya, what is the philosophy of our Holy Mother Han? Our true parents? Flu. Spread the flu virus. Aju, what is flu virus? Forgive, love, unite. Aju, kaya do not worry. Sabi niya, need to do something to the community. Community now is telling us, Hoy, wake up! Federation! What you're doing? Aju? The world is in trouble. Who will fix the world? You the one knows the truth. You cannot just rely to leader. Because leader and you is the same in the eyes of heavenly parent or parents. All of us are chosen people. Pareho lang posisyon natin. Anak. Pagdating kay heavenly parents, parehas lang ang posisyon natin. Adyo, itong mga posisyon nga namin na ano, it organizational position lang yan. Adyo, pwedeng mawala yan. Pero ang higing pinili na anak ng Diyos, hindi mawawala yan. Nakadepende sa bawat isa sa atin how we fulfill our responsibility. Katulad sa buhay natin, practicality, my dear sister, gaano kamahal ang magulang nyo? Mahal na mahal nyo, right? You just check like that. You will do everything. When he is when our parents is in trouble, you will do everything, attend, and even mangutang ka lahat just to save his life. That's your heart towards your parents? You everything? Not just for the sake of your parents, but for the sake of heavenly parent, right? Kasi para kanino ba nabubuhat si true parents? Di ba para kay heavenly parent? Adyo? O, i-extend natin yung ganong klaseng heart. Adyo? Towards heavenly parent. Right. Kaya nga ang atin ditong education sa family is not individual salvation. Family. We will build heaven together with your family and loved ones, right? And tribe. Kaya huwag mong kalimutan ang iyong tribe. Kaya nga hindi pwede ikaw lang ang may true love. Ikaw lang na mahal mo si true parent. Hey, paano ba anak mo? You will pay a greater price. Adyo? Pag hindi mo maipapamana yan, love and faith can be inherited. But of course, they have their own personal journey. But of course, di ba? Ano ang kasabihan niya ng Pilipino? Kung ano ang nakikita at nanaramdaman ng bata, yun yung gawa niya. Adyo? Hindi kung ano ang sinasabi, right? Oh, see? Adyo. The parent said, history has always been moved by a small group who understood God's will and lived for the sake of others. How we will understand God's will? We need to study God's words. Adyo? How to be resonated with God? We need to study His words. Adyo? That's why joining Chong Shimon, doing Hondoke is very important to reminded us who we are. Who we are? We are chosen people of Chun Il Group. Ajo, our responsibility is not just to give it, no. Our main responsibility is to build the kingdom on earth. And what Jesus said, what the Bible said, peace starts with me. Heaven starts within you. Ajo, Ajo, hindi mo pwede isawalang bahala ang kapitbahay mo. You know, merong story na reality ito, no? I think sa teritoryo ng pinanggalingan ni Kuya Lorito, di ba? Gin-share sa atin, no? Sa 7 days, right? Kaya unin also nandoon, nag-attend kami. It's real, it's real. Sabi niya. Now, hindi siya nababagabag sa ngayon, di ba? Kasi sinasabihan siya ng mga ancestors yan, spirit. Bakit hindi mo kami na-educate? We are in suffering. Save us. Do something about us. Oh. Yeah, it's actual happening, right? That's why what the Father said. Where is the accomplishment and final of everything? Home church, tribal, Bisaya. Hindi po din natin kalimutan yun. Para kanino ang victory mo? Para kanino ang accomplishment mo? Hindi pa parte ang family mo ng community? Hindi ba sila parte ng society? Ajo? Of course. It's a lifelong journey, hindi ganun kadali. But, at least inumpisahan na natin. Ajo? Nasa kami na po natin bilang chosen people if we will expand heaven or not. Ajo? That's why how we can do it? How we can do it? Project Now. That's why we put up in Visayas called Project Now. Ajo? Meaning ng now, national oneness through witnessing. All members to just focus on the people, educate them, focus with them, invest time, effort, money, and everything so that you will raise up them to become children of Heavenly Parent and true parents. Kaya nyo bang mag-raise ng 3 sa isang taon? Ilan ang kaibigan mo sa school mo, sister, anong kalan ni? Liza. May kaibigan ka? Wala. Mayroon. Ilan? Oh. See? May kaibigan ka eh. Kayo, wala kayong kaibigan? Nanay, wala kang kaibigan? Marami kang senior citizen na kaibigan? Senior citizen ka, nanay? Nanay da? Oh. Marami, di ba? Oh. Kayo, wala kayong kaibigan? Wala kayong friends? Kayong neighbor? Oh. How we can grow? Yung hindi natin kailangan ng bunggang-bunga. Ilan kayo rito lahat, oh? 42. Based on the data, ilang family church alone, not include the Bacolod. O, ilan dito? 50, no? O, 50. If you determine, hindi mo kailangan magturo-turo dyan. If you determine 50 until December 31, 2026, I will raise 3 people. Kasama na yung anak mo, siyempre. Kailangan na hindi mo unahin anak mo. Sa loob ng unahin mo talaga yun. Iyon yung totoong tagapagmana mo, right? Anak, pag hindi mo nadala, wala yung kwenta nga nagawa mo sa labas. Ajo? It's true, right? Oh, hindi nila naman na yung heart mo or mamasigitan pa nila ang puso mo. So, mag-iiba yan ang landas nila at mag-iiba ang imahe nila talaga. O, hindi ngayon masasabi na anak ka talaga ng nanay mo. Iba eh. Right? Ajo? If we raise 3 people, 50, December 31, God's Reverend ninyo, Bartolo and Amame. Oh, dalhin nyo yung 3. 50 kayo rito. 150 na. Ang mabitbit mo, hindi mo kailangan mag-gather dito ng 100 tapos hindi naman malagaan. Then wala rin. Ajo? You will just show to the world. In the world, so what? Ano ngayon? What they want to see genuine. What is true love about them yung nagsasabi mo? Joe. So how to embody and carry true love? Save people, right? That's the happiness of heavenly parent, true parents. Bringing their lost children back to Him, right? Joe. Kaya magbitbit ng tatlo? Ha? Itong mga katabi ni Alexa, mga baby girl. Wala kayong kaibigan yan sa lugar nyo? May mga friends ba kayo? Mayroon. Oh, sa school nyo, mayroon? Oh, see? Ajo? Oh, si Pastor Rito, wala kang kaibigan? Dami. Oh, see? So, hindi nyo kailangan magtingin. Hindi nyo kailangan palaging, tanungin yung leader nyo, Oy, anong gawin natin? Ay, bakit ikaw di ka anak ni Heavenly Parent? Yun na nga eh. Our main mission is witnessing. Joe, minority nga tayo eh. So we need to show to the world. But raising good citizen of this city, raising citizen of this country, that is the best contribution for nation building. Because you are raising good people. And these good people will raise good family. Then this community will be prosperous and peaceful. Joe? Hindi mo kayo. Pero kung kaya-kaya mo and you do it, mas marami kang matulungan. Diyo. Hindi na ipunin mo lang yung pera mo sa bangko, naghihintay ka kung kailan ka magka-arthritis, magka-diabetes, magka-high blood, tapos pa-maintenance. And then hintayin mo kung kailan ka mamatay at isungwa ceremony. Diyo? Hindi dapat ganun ang buhay natin. We need to bring more people back to God. Diyo? That's a living an eternal legacy. Hindi na mawawala sa kanan dahil sa iyo na transform ang buhay nila. They will never forget that in their lives. That's why hindi natin nakakalimutan si Jesus dahil binago tayo ni Jesus. Hindi natin makakalimutan si true parents because true parents change our lives, right? At anong mangyari? Joe, that's what we need to do, my dear brothers and sisters. Joe? Kaya nyo, Iloilo family? To bring 3 people? Hindi nyo kailangan dalhin dito palagi sa Woodland Subdivision. Doon sa bahay nyo, doon sa coffee shop. Maxbo, Jollibee, Dunkin Donut, Mr. Donut, Starbucks, doon kayo mag-meeting, doon kayo mag-sit. One casual relationship, right? How your friends develop. Di ba nagkita-kita kayo sa favorite hangout nyo? Usap-usap lang sila. That's why they become very strong ang relationship nila, right? Because you spend time, right? Tapos chika-chika kayo. Ganun naman talaga eh. Because witnessing is building relationship.
Yes.
But dagdagan nyo. Ginagawa natin yan para sa kalooban ng Diyos. For heavenly parent and true. So, susunod, hindi na kayo dito mag-Sunday service. Punta kayo doon, magpili kayo ng hotel. Christians do that, right?
Yes.
Bring your guests. Joe, hindi nga tayo lang. Bring your guests. Once a month, bring your guests. And then your leader will give universal teaching, to share what is here. Ano ba yung Chun-Ilgok? Palagi lang yung Family Federation sa Chun-Ilgok, Chun-Ilgok, Chun-Ilgok. Ano yan? Anong laman yan? Anong makikita dyan? Pag pumasok ako dyan, anong mayroon dyan? Nag-aaway. Disunited. Walang pagmamahal dito. Hindi man to safe zone. Stress na ako sa trabaho. Stress din ako minsan sa bahay kasi nga hindi kayo magkasundo ng loved one ko, ng asawa ko, ni Mr. ni Miss, ng mga anak ko. Pagdating dito, mas magulo pa kaya. Wala palang world peace dito. Hindi pala to safe space. Di ba yun ang nireklamo ngayon ng mga Gen Z, even mga Gen Z, right? Ano hinahanap nila? Third space. Nalan ni Gen Z. Gen Z. Third space. Para mawala ang kanilang stress. Joe. So dapat ang lugar na i-build natin as unification or FWP, a place where everyone is welcome and filled by love. Joe. Ibigin pag kung sila yan, hindi sila may stress. Hindi sila ma-depress, kundi ma-in love sila. Wow! Kahit ganito ako, I am protected. Ajo? Oh. Ajo. So, 200 na kayo next year. Hindi natin kailangan na gumastos ng milyon para dumami tayo. 333 lang. Oh, that is also the teaching of true parents, right? Everything start from 3, right? Oh, next year, 200 na. Mag-witness ng tatlo. Another 600. 800 na. Hindi natin kailangan mag-gather ng minilyon. Tapos hindi naman natin maalagaan. Adyo? Oh, yung sa law of networking, ginagamit niya sa labas eh. Oh, law of duplication. O anong tinuro ko sa'yo kasi effective kaya nga nag-succeed siya, right? Yun din ituro mo. Adyo? Oh, ganito ang heart ko, dapat ganun din or more than pa ang heart mo. Oh, adyo. Oh, so walang problema sa kailan seminar. Araw-araw ang seminar. Doon sa Jollibee, sa McDo, sa Mr. Donut, Dunkin Donut, sa Mr. T, whatever T, ang dami na yung coffee shop po, nagpaalat sa buong mundo. Bakit mayroon? Kasi that they provided a space where people can talk about life, love, and everything. Ajo? So this is our responsibility as minority. Ajo? Tamo, pinapaganda na pero sila yung mansion nyo doon. O, di ba? Makikita mo ang growth, di ba? Pagpasok mo, ha? Wow! O, kasi hindi ka ganun. It means, oh, that kind of place we need to build. So, i-extend nyo kay Heavenly Parent and True Parents. You need to build a place for Heavenly Parent and True Parents. If you claim you are chosen people of Shun Ilgo. Kaya importante ang mindset. Very important ang mindset, Adjo. Who you are. What is our identity? We are children of true parents. So what is our lessons sa pinagdadaanan natin bilang minority? Influence comes from living for the sake of humanity and offering the vision of hope. Aju. But that's our main teaching, diba? Living for the sake of others. Aju. Oh, becoming a man of principle is the best way to live for the sake of others. Because if you're a man of love and principle, katulad ni Pastor Lorito, kahit sinong imit mo, you will always share positive influence sa buhay niya. Ajo, that is the substantial living for others. Then we need to raise more ourselves as a citizen of Chonilgop. Hindi po ordinaryo na lang tayo tulad noon. Panising ngayon, iba na dapat. I-raise na talaga natin yung sarili natin. Because kailangan na natin mag-build ng nation, community. Adjo, hindi tayo pwede yung the same thing. Kaya nga sabi ng mundo, di ba? If you do the same thing repeatedly, nothing happen. That is called stupidity or hypocrisy, di ba? Pagkita mo ng result, gawin mo pa ulit. Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo tuto. So we need to learn now. So you need to really talk very seriously. Oh, Adjo? Sure. Hindi pwede na sarili lang natin ang isave natin. Oh. What heaven is like that, True Parents said. Anong klaseng langit niya na ikaw lang doon? Adjo? So we need to work more very hard. Adjo? Kaya huwag kayong maghintay na every Saturday na ang seminar. Every day. Bakit hindi ka anak ni Heavenly Parent? Hindi ka anak ni True Parents? Bakit umaasa ka sa akin bilang leader? Ang gawain lang namin, i-compile lahat ng accomplishment mo and i-report doon sa IHQ so that ang imong accomplishment mapupunta directly at offer sa heaven at mababasa ni Heavenly Parent and True Parents, especially ni Holy Mother Han. Ajo. Oh. So, what is the strategy for minor to influence? Strong identity and education. That's why let's focus. Paano kayo naging anak? Diba? You continuously teach DP. Sampo mo ron. Ajo. Oh. Eh kung ginagawa lang natin structured, siguro sa ano lang tayo, susunod lang tayo sa ano. Wala. Hindi tayo dadami. Umaasa ka lang sa isang tao, siya lang ang anak. Si Ninyo lang ang anak na Heavenly Parent True Parent sa Liluhaw. Ay kayo pala, di kayo anak? Anak kayo, di ba? Oh. Ajo? Kaya ang pagbibuild ng heaven here in our place is not the responsibility of one man. It is the responsibility of everyone. Ajo? That's why we need to teach and preserve core principle. What our core principle? We are one family under heavenly parent. We show yesterday, we are one family. Pangalawa, we need to serve to the society. So you go beyond the church wall, serve the community, Adjo. Sabi natin, mga bababae tayo, nararamdaman ba ng community? Wala man tayo doon. O kaya nyo si Kadili. Serve. But do not forget why you are there. You always mention because of true parents, because of parents. Ganon dapat. Para hindi lang ikaw ang makilala. Adjo? Tulad sa atin. Ang magulang, totoo lang ha, our physical parents really nurtured us and raised up so that we become like this. Hindi naman, di ba? Ang totoong nag-grace sa atin, sa heavenly parent and true parents. Adjo? Oh. But it benefited, right? Oh. So that's why do not forget like that. Adjo? So serve the community. So dapat magawa tayo ng something. Once a month, magpakain kayo. Oh. Kung doon lang kayo sa teritoryo din sila, consistency, di ba? Consistency is the key. Ano lang sabi ng mga negosyante? Negosyante. Oh, di ba? Consistency is the key, right? Ano ang issue natin palagi sa ating community na palagi sinasabi ng lahat ng Grace family na nag-ikot sa Pilipinas? Anong sabi nila? Consistency. Follow up. Nag-ibig na tayo. Pagkatapos, wala na follow up. Di wala tayong member din. Adjo. So once a month, declare, pakainin ilang kabataan doon? 50. Magkano? Tig 10, isang kabataan, kaldo, 50. Share. Right? Pag may itinanim, kaya gagawa ang center ng activity where every member of the community can practice substantial true love or living for the sake of others. Kasi minsan, meron pa rin tayo, hindi pa naman tayo 100%. So, dapat gagawa ka kahit once a month lang, hindi lang for the sake of project, for report. Hindi tayo makuhan talaga ng community. Adjo? We need to serve the community para malaman nila, mababait talaga at magagaling pala ang mga member ng FFWP. Number 3, cultural contribution. Enrich society through arts, education, and family programs. That's why meron tayo, di ba? Through family values education. Ano ba problema ng mundo? Di ba? Broken marriages. Adyo? So what they need? Family program. Young people lang ba ang anak ng Diyos? Ang mga couple pala sa barangay, hindi anak. Hindi sila lost children. So hindi sila kailangan i-restore. Hindi sila kailangan i-save. Kailangan, di ba? That's why you are already in Visayas, Inter-Visayas, in Cebu, there are so many already victorious Chunbo, right? Doon sa lecture natin, ano sila? Ano ang sabi doon? The real and the authentic citizen of Chunbo, Victor. That's why you are all eternal treasure of heaven. Walk the talk, sabi nga nila. So make sure you are loving couple, no matter what. Adjo? Because actions speak louder than words. Mas matindi kung ano ang nararamdaman at nakikita ng mata kaysa sinasabi. Focus. So, mag-design programs. Adjo? People of pure water education, right? Continuously. So that they will become real, authentic children of Heavenly Parent and true parents who fulfill the 3 great blessings. Resilience and unity. Stand firm despite criticism. Lahat naman kinikriticize, right? Just like the Jew and the Christian. But they are firm. No matter what. Kahit sunugin mo pa ako. Jesus Christ is my Lord and Savior. Adyo. So are you firm of your conviction that you are a member of Heavenly Parents Holy Community, FFWPU? Kaya dito sinasala. Adyo. Alam mo, hindi natin talaga pwede kumpara yung Christian Life One kasi mataas tayo. Top level na tayo. Hindi talaga. Our principle is not, is very high. Adyo. But God is a God of true love. True parents is a true parent. They will never judge us. They will always embrace us and wait for us until we become their true embodiment and manifestation of their true love. Adyo. Who showed to us, despite being misunderstood and highly persecuted, still victorious. Our beloved true parents. Adyo. They never wait. Oh, uli mga, ha? Oh, never worry about me. Because all in their entire life, our Holy Mother Han and true parents, they only serve and attend heavenly parents. Adyo? And they know it will be conquered because they embody true love. Kaya true parents and Holy Mother, never worry. Tayo lang kasi hindi tayo nag-i-embody ng hindi pa. Hindi pa. Mayroon naman tayong true love. Pero, ang level, hindi pa ganun. Adyo? Number 5, networking and alliance. So, we need to have partners with other groups for greater impact. Adyo? That's why we also do that, right? Kasi kailangan natin maging systematic and organized para hindi tayo close open. So we need now to be more determined and committed one. Adyo, para maging consistent tayo. The conclusion, my dear brothers and sisters. Number 1, God uses minority to shape history. You are blessed, sabi nga ng Bible. You are blessed if you are persecuted because of righteousness. It means you are my children. We are persecuted not because Jerusalem is like this. You are not persecuted because of your personal issues. We are persecuted because we work for Heavenly Parent and true parent. Nami-misunderstood kasi mataas ang ating level of teaching. Adyo. But nakikita nila, by the fruit itself, you will know. That's what your father said, right? Kaya, no need to worry. God used minority to shape history. Judaism preserved God's words. Christianity spread God's love. Tayo, unification, offer God's vision for peace. Kasi ang ating mission na, as a chosen people of Chudago, is to substantially establish heaven on earth. Adyo. So numbers don't determine influence. Faith, service, and vision do. Adyo? O kadili. O simple lang naman yan si kadili dati. Pero the community, hindi madideny doon sa tinitirhan niya how ang progress pa. From nothing to something to greatness. Oh. May humaharang pa lang sa kanya. Dating si Yasel ang mediator. Oh. The community demand her love and service. Because if we don't also involve, how we can change the community? LGBTQ communists, they go to the community. And once they control power and authority, they pursue their own agenda. Adyo. tayo tatahimik tayo, then we will be destroyed by them. Adyo! That's why, graduate ng mga anak ni Ate Maristela. So, wala na ka nang gagawin kundi to serve the Lord. Adyo? Ano pa ang wala ka nang ikakabahala? Professional na sila lahat. So, it's time for you to return and serve with utmost best hanggang sa huling hininga. Say heavenly parent and true parents. We cannot live ordinarily because we are chosen people of Chunilgok. Ang worry mo, niresolve na ni Heavenly Parent, right? Binigyan ka na ng anak. Binigyan ka na ng son na mabait. Oh, adyo? Oh, it's true, right? Oh, mayroon ka ng head of the family. Adyo? Hmm. That's why Luke chapter 12 verse 32. Do not be afraid, little flock, for your Father has been pleased to give you the kingdom. Huwag kayong matakot, munting kawan, sapagkat itinalulugod ng inyong Ama na ibibigay sa inyo ang kaharian. Adyo. Ganun din si Nanay, Aida. Wala na siyang alalahanin. Lahat ng anak niya, okay na. O, di ba? Kaya nga, senior citizen, ikot-ikot si Nanay, kaharian niya sa ibas. Adyo? Wala nang gagawin, di ba? Wala na itong worry. So ano na lang gawin? Legacy. Yung ganong klaseng heart, yung ganong klaseng puso, dapat ipapamana yan. So that your next generation will have a better place. Ano? Oh. Hindi naman issue actually yung pera eh. Mabuti at masamang tao marunong makanap ng pera. Ano? Kung pera-pera lang buhay niya, hindi kailangan maging mabuti. Kasi kahit masama, kaya-kaya nga. One time, big time nila eh. Di ba? Pero hindi, it's not about money alone. Adyo, we will build heaven. Adyo. Through parents' words. Tagalogin ko. Ipinasiya ko na dapat akong magsikap ng higit pa kaysa pag-uusig ng aking naranasan. Ngayon din para sa inyo, susubukan kong magbigay ng higit pa kaysa pag-uusig na aking tinanggap. Ipinamamahagi ng mga pagpapalang na inani ng Diyos. Dapat ninyong makita na ang home church, sabi ni Father, ni True Parent, home church, tribal Messiah, right? Ay inyong lugar ng pagsasanay. Ang pag-uusig ay malaki ang mababawasan mula ngayon. Pangunahin, kailangan nating turuan ng mga tao at mahalin sila. Dapat nating ibigay ang anumang mayroon tayo. At higitan ang pamantayan ng ating mga umuusig. Ito ay panahon ng paglipat at sa teknikal na pananaw ay hindi dapat magkaroon ng pag-uusig. Ngunit gaya ng taglamig na nananatili ng kaunti bago dumating ang tagsibol. Ang pag-uusig ay maaari pa rin dumating sa susunod na 7 buwan. Ito ay matatapos pagkatapos ng panahong iyon. So kailangan talaga natin. You have to become an atomic bomb of love. Would you become a love bomb wherever you go? Then you will be victorious of love. Adyo. People came to kill me because Satan knew that I would end his ownership of the world. I will always feel I could not stop, not for myself, but for the world. Satan always anticipate my activity a certain amount. He tries to block my next move. Adyo. Ganon din sa buhay natin, mga chosen people, right? May gusto kong gawin, pero para may, kasi nga, pag may Diyos ang mundo, may Satan ang mundo. Adyo, mayroon din na kukontra. Di ba? Adyo? Pero hindi ka lang yan mag-give up. Hindi ka mag-retaliate. Sabi niya, mahalin mo pa rin. Kaya, natural surrender. True Mother said, practice flu. Forgive, love, unite. Next, the greatest weapon against persecution is true love. True love forgets, serve, and transform enemy into allies. This should be the heart of unification member or chosen people of Chonilgu. We will not succeed by force, but by living for the sake of others. So, my dear fellow citizen of Chunilguk, the entire Visayas family, sabi sa Romans chapter 12 verse 21, do not be overcome by evil, but overcome we evil with good. Huwag kayong magpadaig sa masama, kundi daigin ninyo ng mabuti ang masama. Adyo? Love never fails. First Corinthians chapter 13 verse 8. Malapit na tayo. Ang pag-ibig ay hindi nagwawakas because love is eternal, unchanging, absolute. Adyo. So my dear brothers and sisters, let's do our best. We are minority in the eyes of many, but we are the most important people in the eyes of Heavenly Parent and True Parent because we are the people who carry His heart, love, and will. Adyo. So, my dear brothers and sisters, as a fellow citizen of Chunilbo, let's inherit the true love of Heavenly Parent and true parents and offer victory, glory, and honor to them in our everyday lives. Thank you and good morning, everyone. Let's give a round of applause to Heavenly Parent and Parent. May I request everyone to please stand up and I will offer my benediction. Our loving Heavenly Parent, victorious true parents of heaven, earth, and humankind. Thank you for entrusting us your providence, even we are unworthy, but we are educated, we are nurtured by true parents, by Holy Mother Han, how to be a people of true love. You give us strength to endure persecutions with love, to transform misunderstanding into understanding, to shine your light into this world. Loving Heavenly Parent, through the sermon today, you showed to us, even though we are now minority, but we are the people who are called chosen. God is with us. The interspiritful is with us. May all brothers and sisters will stand firm as my fellow Chunilguk citizen to carry out the mission, centering on the will of Heavenly Parent and victorious true parents, to realize, to expand heaven on earth by loving everyone, by becoming a heavenly tribal Messiah, a real, authentic, genuine citizen of Chunilguk. So, loving Heavenly Parent, it is our responsibility now to raise well ourselves, to really become the man of principle, where people in the community feel our presence, that we are the people that they can be trusted to carry and make their community an ideal community. So loving Heavenly Parent, thank you for your continuous true love. Anymore ask anything from you, just like as a child, that when we reach some level of maturity and success, we tell to our physical parents, no need to worry. We will take care for everything. I hope as a chosen people of Chunilguk, we will have such a heart towards our Holy Mother Han, towards our true parents, towards our heavenly parents. They are our eternal parent. We need to have such a heart as a chosen people of Chunilguk. That one day we can say to our Holy Mother Han, no need also to worry, Holy Mother Han. Despite of the situation, we will move forward and really bring victory. We will carry your heart. We will carry your compassion. We will practice and put into our lives your words, your heart, and spread the flu virus in our lives and in our community. We will spread forgiveness, love, and unity. Loving Heavenly Parent, we humble before you. And the same time, we offer our repentance that all of these things happening, oh our Holy Mother, because we fail to bring substantial and strong foundation so that we can declare the greatness of our true parents. But from now on, through this guidance that we receive from you today, we will set our mind and heart. We are chosen people of Chunilgu. We are children of heavenly parents, your parents. We will do our utmost best in our everyday life from now on to bring joy, glory, honor, and victory. We will not demand anything from now on, but instead we will report to you victory, glory, and greatness, loving Heavenly Parent and True Parent. Thank you so much for everything. May those all who attended today's Sunday service please answer the desire of their heart, their wishes, their prayers, loving Heavenly Parent, that could help them become your people, loving Heavenly Parent, who embody your heart and your love. Thank you so much for everything. And attendance, our Holy Mother Han, I offer and report this prayer in my name, Angelito Kainday, Blessed Central Family. Adieu. Adieu. Adieu.